Okay guys, so now we have our igneous rock that is multicolored out, and with it we have got some mineral samples. So you guys can go ahead and get those mineral samples out, and the ones you want are the potassium feldspar, the quartz, and the biotite. Now, take your magnifying glass and look very closely at this igneous rock. This igneous rock is called granite. Okay, you guys probably recognize the term granite. We use it as a countertop a lot, also for gravel a lot. Now look very closely, Emily, why don't you look very closely and tell me what minerals you can identify in this rock, if you can identify these three minerals.
Like if I can identify them?
Yes, you might want to use the smaller magnifying that has a larger field. Yeah, so can you see quartz in there?
I can.
Okay, can you see biotite in there?
Yeah, the black specks.
Yep, very good. And can you see feldspar?
Yeah, the salmon one?
Yes.
Yes, I see it.
All right, so we have an igneous rock that is composed of three, at least, minerals that we've already gone over: the feldspar, quartz, and biotite. So like I said, we have rocks that are composed of minerals, and this is a really good example of that. What you should understand is that minerals maintain their physical characteristics all the way through the rock cycle. So the smoking gun characteristic of quartz being harder than glass is going to be maintained in that quartz, in that rock. The flakiness of the biotite and the color of the potassium feldspar is all going to be able to be seen in the rock. When we move forward and we look at sedimentary rocks and other types of rocks, we're going to see that the effervescence, for example, of the calcite is maintained when that mineral is present in a rock. Okay. So always be aware that the minerals in a rock keep their physical properties, and that's really how you're going to identify what type of rock it is by looking at the mineral assemblage.
I have a question.
Yes.
We just installed granite countertops in our home.
Yes.
And there is a lot of different types of granite, or different colors. I don't know if they're types or colors. Would they always be these same minerals, just different concentrations of them?
No. So that's a great question, and granite is easily used the most for countertops, and it's because it's beautiful, right? It's got these amazing colors and this huge range. A lot of times the rock that you put in is not actually scientifically defined as granite. It's a rock, but it can be this wide range of different rocks: metamorphic rocks, igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks, and they just call it granite because it's what you recognize as being a countertop. However, there are granites that come in every color of the rainbow. Just like we have different colors of quartz, feldspar, and different minerals, those colors of those minerals come through in the different types of granites that they're contained within. So you'll still have this really wide range of colors, and it's still called granite, or it's going to be a really different type of rock that you're still using as a countertop.